Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon Prime unboxing. And again, this is something I wouldn't normally open on the channel, but you see I've been wearing nail wraps and that goes with this. So, and I've been really hard on this particular pair of nail wraps. I've been doing so many arts and crafts and dishes and you name it. So these are pretty rough for wear. They're ready to be changed. But I have another few videos that I have to do with these ones on. Ta-da! So these are just little nail things that I was recommended to use to remove my nail wraps. So these are 30 in a pack. And I think it was like $9 or $10 for the 30 of them. And they come in pink and blue and purple. So pretty colors. And they feel nice. They don't feel really cheap. So at this end we have like a little pusher thing. And at this end is kind of am I going off camera? Can you see it now? It's kind of flat. So anyway, come on, camera. There. That's what they look like, you guys. So these are called 30-piece plastic handle nail cuticle pushers with rubber tips. And then it goes on and on and on. Right now, today, these are $11.15 for the set of 30. And I was told that to remove these, I have just been peeling them off. And I was told that I'm probably breaking my nails and making them, like I'm probably tearing off nail when I do that. So I was told to soak my nails, like so. Do it after you do the dishes or after you have a bath or wash your hair. Anytime you've soaked them in water, that will help loosen the bond. And then after they're all nice and moist, you're supposed to just push with these and like push down and take off instead of peeling them off where they might be ripping the top part of your nail, especially if there's any cracks in your nail. So you can see how this one is almost off. I've been using these nails a lot. These are about 2 weeks old now. But they still look pretty good, except for this one and like the tip of this one. But pretty good for 2 weeks, and I have not been wearing my gloves to do the dishes. So this, I've been through countless baths and showers and washing my hair and washing my hands and doing the dishes, and this is the first time that has happened. So I don't know if there was a flaw in this one or whether they're just really old. So, and you're going to see these a little bit in a few more videos because I'm waiting for my new set to come in before I change them. But anyway, that's it, you guys. I'll let you know how these work. Let me know if you want me to do a video showing how to remove them and how to put the nail wraps on, and I could do that. Although you could Google it on YouTube. There's probably a lot of people who have those videos already who like are into nails and stuff. But I thought that was a really good price, and I can even give some away because I've gotten a lot of people into wearing the nail wraps in my family. So yeah. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope you like that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care and stay safe. Bye for now.